St.Thomass, and today we're going to be talking about how to make your dancing smooth, elegant, and beautiful. Now, all of life adheres to 7 natural laws. One of those natural laws is the law of motion. You put a body in motion, it stays in motion until that motion stops, or the energy wanes, or something acts upon that motion to cause it to do something else. In dance, we call this step, swing, recover. Now, if you've watched persons dance ballroom or the continuity style, some of you might call that silver, it's very easy to see step, swing, recover in that natural 3-step or hover step. When you're dancing the American Foxtrot, for example, we often lose that fluid sense of movement because we're thinking about starting and stopping rather than the natural motion of step, swing, recover. We tend to dance slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. You want your dancing to look different. You want it to take on a more smooth, a more elegant, a prettier effect right away. Here's how. Interject step, swing, recover into your Foxtrot. Dance, step, swing, recover. Now I know right away some of you are saying, wait a minute, what do I do with this? As in walking, the feet and legs naturally come together. In TangoKinesis, we call this button, button, button. That is squeezing the feet and legs together in a natural fashion. So when we dance this, if you were to dance your Foxtrot, step, swing, recover, and allow that to squeeze in naturally. Now you no longer will have that very jerky movement to the end of the step.
Teach me.